Hello everybody, my name is Will, this is Brendan.
G'day.
Been working in specialty coffee for more than 10 years. He's going to show us mortal people here today how to make an immaculate French press.
It's pretty easy, Will, there's not too much to it. So really what we need to do is talk about, first of all, our ratio. So what we need to do with French press is just make sure that we're getting the right amount of grams per litre. So at the moment we're using a 300ml French press. So 24 grams for a 300ml French press there. Yep. So we're just going to go ahead and grind out 24 grams.
So Brendan, who do you recommend French press for?
Lazy people and also people who like a really nice strong cup of coffee without any fuss. We also like to get our water on the boil, so just make sure that that water is just off the boil when we're going for it. We just want to preheat our vessel, so we're just going to take this screen out and we just want to fill that up at least 2/3 of the way. Now it doesn't hurt to pop that in the lid and just pre-soak your little screen there as well for 30 seconds or so, and then just discard that water.
Is there any particular recommendation on paraphernalia?
Depends on how many people you want to make coffee for. So if you're looking at making coffee for yourself at home, yep. This guy's a really good size, 300, you'll get 2 cups out of that quite comfortably. Yep. If you're looking to make coffee for your family or some friends, probably get up and around the 600 to 1 litre sort of type French press.
What is the best grind setting for us?
So we're looking for quite a coarse grind consistency. What this is going to do is allow that, because it's sitting in the water for 4 to 5 minutes, it's going to allow that to brew in the water without over extracting. So we're looking for quite a sort of coarse sea salt sort of grind there. Yep. Larger particles than what you would for obviously espresso and also for other filter methods. Once we've preheated our vessel, it's all nice and empty there. We're going to tear off our scales and we're just going to pour in our 24 grams of houndstooth coffee and we're going to tear that off again. So what we've got in there is 24 grams of dried coffee and we're just going to fill this up to the line. Don't be afraid to get all those grounds nice and wet. And we're putting 300 mils of water in there. Now we're just going to leave that sit for about 30 seconds and that's going to, as you can see, bloom, which is degassing. So there's gas coming out of that coffee. Sure. And it just allows us to get all the gas out before we then go in with a nice clean spoon and integrate all of those grounds into our brew water. After we've done that, Will, we're just going to pop this little screen on top of the coffee, but we're not going to press.
And how would you like to, how long do we let it steep for?
We're looking at 4 to 5 minutes. So you can go away, wash the dishes,
check your emails,
call a friend,
yep.
Check your emails, come back, and what we're looking to do after 4 to 5 minutes is just nice and gently push down ever so slowly, gently encouraging those grounds to the bottom of the cup. And we're looking to decant this coffee straight away after our 4 to 5 minute brew time. And what that does, Will, it stops the coffee from over brewing. Because that coffee's still in the bottom of that press there, it means that that will continue to brew as long as it sits in the water. So if we decant all of that off the grounds, we've got the grounds left in the press and we've got the coffee in the cup. And we give it a few minutes, have a sip, add some milk or sugar if you like, and away we go.
Done.
Cool.
Thank you very much.
Cheers.
Chin chin.